Show time na. This is Shiri and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my skincare routine and how I do my makeup every day.
As you can see, I am fresh from the shower.
Yung skincare routine ko, isa to sa mga pinaka nire-request ninyo. Pero hindi ko siya ginagawa kasi sobrang boring eh. So sabi ko, isasama ko na lang siya sa everyday makeup routine ko. So yun, magsimula na tayo. Magsisimula ako sa facial wash na ginagamit ko. Actually, sa facial wash, hindi naman ako masela, hindi ako maarte. So, any facial wash would do. Ginagamit ko ngayon is yung Celotex. And then, I use this Foreo facial cleanser every other day. Next step, I use Escanol. Ito yung my beads. Kung sensitive yung skin nyo, huwag ito yung bilhin nyo kasi baka masaktan kayo. Pero ako, I use this kasi ito yung nagtanggal ng mga blackheads ko naturally. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-facial. I only use Escanol. And then, I focus on my nose area kasi dyan yung mga whiteheads, blackheads. Afterwards, I proceed with my moisturizer. Ang ginagamit ko talaga is yung Olay na day and night cream. Pero sa ngayon, dahil naubusan ako, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris na night cream. Basta ang mahalaga mo moisturize yung face. Siyempre yung neck area, don't forget. Alam ko malakas makakita yung Olay day and night cream. Pero nakasanayan ko na kasi I've been using that. Matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. So, while I'm waiting for my moisturizer to dry, I'm going to exfoliate my lips. So, hindi ako nag-exfoliate ng lips every day, but I do it twice a week. Love Maria sent their whole collection to me, and isa to sa kanilang pinadala yung kanilang lip exfoliator or yung kanilang lip scrub in bubblegum flavor. It's important that you exfoliate your lips. Parang pag-exfoliate lang din yan ng mukha. Yung lip scrub ng Love Maria is 100% organic and 100% natural. And it's edible. Kaya kahit kainin mo siya, nagutom ka, okay lang. Sarap lang. Ayan, exfoliate na yung aking lips. After exfoliating, it's important that you moisturize your lips. Love Maria also sent me a lip mask, yung Pilitin lip mask. Pero hindi ko siya gagamitin today. Ang gagamitin ko today is just your regular lip balm. And I'm using Carmex. Ito, isa to sa mga proven and tested na lip balm ko kapag sobrang dry yung lips ko. Kahit ito lang yung gamitin ko. Pero tayo mag-proceed sa face. Lapit ko yung mukha ko para makita niyo yung ginagawa ko. Dapat yung camera pala yung mag-adjust. Ilalapit ko lang kayo. For my face, sobrang simple lang yung ginagawa ko. I don't wear foundation on an everyday basis. Nagpa-foundation lang ako kapag may super duper special occasion lang. I just use concealer. And today, I'm going to use this NARS concealer. Dati yung ginagamit ko is yung Maybelline Fit Me Concealer na ubusin lang ako. Pero pag everyday, yun talaga yung gamit ko. Yung Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand. Sa concealer, halagay ko lang siya sa under eye area ko. Kapag everyday, hindi ko na ginagawa yung parang pa-triangle na gano'n. Also put a bit dito sa gilid ng nose and sa gilid ng mouth kasi dyan yung redness. And then I just blend with my fingers. Before ko iset itong mukha ko, ilalagay ko na yung aking cheek tint. Ang gagamitin ko today is yung Aurora ng Love Maria. Very pink yung kulay niya. 100% organic and 100% natural din itong lip tint nila. Then, I set my face with powder. Ang ginagamit ko is itong Johnson's Baby Powder lang. Ayoko kasi nung malagkit or mainit sa balat. Kaya, okay na ako dito. Eyebrows na. Since it's already microbladed, konti na lang yung ginagawa ko. And everything's well blended. Naglalagay ako ng konting nose line. So, sinusundan ko lang pa itong shadows ng aking nose. Next thing I do is put on mascara. And I'm using the NYX or NYX Worth the Hype Mascara. Yan, medyo nabuhay ng mata ko. And I just curled again halfway naman. Ayan, matatapos na tayo. The last thing that we're going... lapit na mukha ka. The last thing that we're going to do is put on our lip tint. Gagamitin ko ulit yung Rosewood ng Love Maria. Ayan, parang fresh lang. With this lip tint, pwede mo siyang gawin full. Pero, ayun, gusto ko yung ganito lang. Yan, and we're done! Kalain niyo yun. Pwede ko na i-zoom out. Ay, simple lang. I'm going to finish this look with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Yan, kapag may mga dry patches ako, tapos namumuo-muo yung mga concealer or yung powder sa face ko, ito yung ginagamit ko. Bilang niya nare-resolve yung dry skin ko, but it also is a mist spray. So, parang nare-refresh na yung mukha ko kapag in-spray ko siya. Lagyan ko may ganito sa bag ko kasi pag nainitan ako, I just spray it. And it also keeps my makeup intact all throughout the day. Yan, para mas lalong fresh, dehydrated, parang naligo lang. Sa hair ko, I just use this Argan Rich Oil. Galing tong Japan eh. Pero alam ko merong ganito sa Watsons for a cheaper price. So, ayun na nga. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe for more videos. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!